Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can start digging for treasures and grow a garden. So if you go to shop, there's the new treasure digging, resets every 24 hours, like I'm assuming for these rewards. You're going to select dig now. You get 10 digs. It's pretty similar to the Halloween one we have. And you're just going to dig where you think the prize is. Oh, oops. It goes that way apparently. And here's my first reward. Okay, a legendary coal. Great. I don't really need that. Ooh, there's something else. Okay, if you run out of digs like me, you can also wait for it to like reset itself. Or you can also use the dig trinket. I only have one, just going to add one additional dig. Just going to go back to shop, dig now, and I'll just dig the last reward. Hopefully something good. Okay, it's a seed, lumen bloom. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.